beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over what I got at the Sephora VIB sale this year. I didn't get as much stuff as I thought I was going to, but I got some pretty good stuff. So if you want to know what I got in this year's sale, then just keep watching. So what should I start with? I don't even know what I should start with. I'm gonna start with the makeup stuff. I didn't get a lot of makeup this time around for the sale. I mostly focused on skincare and hair care. First thing that I got is the Morphe M439 brush. Now, mine is dirty because I used it. This is your basic buffing brush. You can use this for foundation, you can use it for concealer, cream bronzer, cream blushes, anything like that. It's super fluffy. Let me just quickly show you the difference between this bad boy and my current foundation brush. This is the foundation brush that I currently have, and this is the Morphe one. So as you can see, the Morphe one is a lot thicker, a lot more bristles. This is from Urban Decay. This is super old. This brush came out when the original Naked Skin foundation came out. You can also see that the Morphe is a lot thicker, it's a lot denser. This fits a lot more comfortable in the hand than this. I think it's because this is a lot skinnier, where this is a little bit more chunky, so it's like easier to grip. I want to start trying out a bunch of brushes because eventually I would love to make a video strictly on essential brushes. Like, what should the everyday woman have in her brush collection? Like, what are your staples? So yeah, that is the Morphe buffer brush. So I wanted to get this brush for a while now, but I just didn't know if I should. This is the Morphe M536 brush, and it is called the Under Eye Bullet brush, and it has a really nice tapered shape here. It's dense but also very fluffy, and I really like this brush for under the eyes for concealer, and I also used it for powder, and it's really good. It fits really nicely underneath the eye. I mean, the only complaint I have about this brush is probably it's very flimsy. I like using a brush that kind of has a little bit of, you know, not so much give to it. Really nice for buffing out concealer under the eyes and small places. I used it also around my nose, sides of my mouth, in between my eyebrows. Like, it's a good shaped brush for concealing just all over the face. All right, so I got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder. Oh my god, that was such a mouthful. They only have 4 colors of these. They have like a light, a medium, which is the one that I got, a tan, and like a darker shade. I was very surprised because the swatches online of the medium shade look a lot darker than it actually is in person. So when I first opened this, I was like, this is gonna be way too light for me because this looks way too light for me. Like, maybe it looks like it's not bad because of how bright my natural lighting is right now, but this is really light. I was kind of skeptical about using this on my face, but I was kind of like, well, I got this powder specifically because I wanted to try it underneath my eyes because I heard it's a really good powder for, you know, setting under there. It's also a very fine, poreless type powder. It's more like a veil. It doesn't have so much like color, so I thought it would be okay to use on my face, and guess what? It is. So I used the Under Eye Bullet brush with this powder just to like set underneath my eyes, my eyelids, my, you know, my T-zone, and it looks so good. My face right now looks so like flawless and very airbrushed. I don't really have, at least I don't see my pores. I'm kind of excited to continue to use this product and see how it works for me. So far so good, and I'll keep you guys updated. This thing, I kind of got sucked into this because one of my coworkers says it was really nice, and she like told me I had to try it, so I said screw it, why not, let's try it out. So this is the Morphe 2 Glassified Lip Oil. So I'm gonna put some on right now. I have some on right now underneath Underneath, I have the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liners in the shade Under My Skin, and then I have this on top, and it's just a very beautiful classic lip balm, lip gloss. Really hydrating. Like, I could definitely feel the lip oil component to this. My lips feel really moisturized. They look very glossy. Why not test it out? And my last makeup product, which is probably my favorite because I've wanted it for a while, but every time there's a sale, I always want other things more, so I always push this to the back burner. But these are the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows, and I got the color Grace. Fun fact about this color, my very first like real makeup palette was a Stila palette. It was so old, and I got it from one of my mom's old employers and she didn't want it anymore, so she gave it to me. And the one color in there that I used to just religiously wear all the time was actually called Grace, and I loved that color because it was just the perfect wash of color for my lids, and I could just throw on like a crease color, and it just always looked so nice. So when I saw that they had the same Grace color in the liquid version, I had to get it. And this is just the most beautiful rose gold taupe color. It's not so rose gold where it's very, very pink, and it's not too taupe where it has that grayish hue to it. It's like a perfect mix of the two. I can see the rose gold, I can see the bit of taupe. I have it on my eyelids right now. It's just so nice. I really love this. I just got a refill of my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. This is like my ride or die type of setting spray. What I love to do with this setting spray is once I finish my makeup, I will just spray my face, kind of have it melt all the products together on my face and get rid of that powderiness on my face, and then I'll go in with my all-nighter setting spray on top, and that's more of like my finishing setting spray, seal everything in and make everything last all day. This combo in particular is amazing if you want to wear makeup underneath your mask. Amazing, holy grail, I love this. Kind of going into skincare, first and foremost, most important, sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen ever. I have not found a sunscreen that I have loved more than this yet. This is my holy grail. This is the Supergoop Play Everyday Lotion SPF 50 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. I love this. First of all, it smells amazing. It smells like just fresh, clean, lemony, minty, just smells fresh, it smells clean, it's great. The smell doesn't linger on your face or anything like that, so if you're sensitive to smells, don't worry, it'll go away within like the next couple of minutes of you applying. Second of all, it absorbs so quickly into the skin. You put it on your face and it just absorbs, it's gone. And then you'll touch your face and it doesn't even feel like there's anything there. And that's what I love about this sunscreen, because I hate putting sunscreen on my face, especially underneath makeup, that I could feel it. I love the way it looks under makeup. It doesn't mess with the formulation or anything that I put on top of it. And it's SPF 50. I want as much protection from the sun as I possibly can. Don't want those premature wrinkles, don't want that sunburn, don't want all the scars on my face to get worse. So therefore, sunscreen. So if you have any problems with any of the things that I just mentioned, use a sunscreen. Okay. I'm glad we had that talk. Next little bit of skincare related product. I got the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum Deep Hydration and Glow. So I love Glow Recipe products and I love their packaging. Half the reason why I got this. Let me show you, because this is the cutest damn thing I've ever seen in my freaking life. Look at this. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute she is. Just a little bloop. Like, I love it. It's just so cute. So this is basically just a hyaluronic acid serum. The Glow Recipe one in particular has 3 different types of plum. It has different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. What that means is that this hyaluronic acid serum is going to penetrate the different layers of your skin. Different weights will seep deeper than others, but it'll just ensure that every layer of skin is getting penetrated by the hyaluronic acid. I'm really excited to try this. I love Glow Recipe stuff, so we will see, and I will update you on how this is doing. This is gonna be my little transition piece also into hair care stuff that I got. So I got the Biossance 100% Squalane oil. This Squalane oil is sugarcane derived and it can be used on the body, face, and hair. It's an all-purpose oil. So I really wanted to try the Squalane oil. Squalane. This is such a hard word to say. I really wanted to try the Squalane oil because I've heard such like good things about it. It helps to hydrate your skin and maintain that hydration. Your body naturally produces a lipid within your skin cells called squalene. Not squalane, but squalene. Once you hit your 20s, basically the production of squalene in your body starts to decline, and you know, that's when you start losing firmness and hydration in your skin and all that. So this will help boost your skin's hydration. So I wanted to give this a shot. Next thing I bought is from a brand that we all know and love, and that is The Ordinary. Super affordable, great products. I purchased from them the Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density, a concentrated serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller, and healthier. It's a hair serum. It is meant to help with the look and feel of your hair. I got this because I read a lot of reviews and it helps also with thinning hair, supposedly. So I really wanted to try this because I have thinning hair. I have some spots, like especially underneath here and like over here, because I always wear my hair in such a tight ponytail. I notice that my hair is thinning around the sides of my face, and I want to fix that. So why not try a hair serum? I can't wait to try this. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna start trying it tonight and kind of take progress pics, see how it works, see how it feels, and again, I'll let you guys know how this works. And last but not least, I got this. I took out everything in here just so I can hold the box, and I'll show you everything in a minute. But I got the Briogeo Strengthening Solution Set, which has the Don't Despair Repair Shampoo and Conditioner, the Deep Conditioning Mask, and the Strengthening Treatment Oil. I love Briogeo. 2018, 2019, I started using Briogeo, and I used them consistently for a year. Now that I've taken time to step back from Briogeo and try other hair care items and shampoos, conditioners, treatments, the whole shebang, I noticed quite the difference. Especially with the way my ends specifically feel and how much dandruff I get. I've noticed a difference. So I want to try going back into Briogeo and just see how my hair reacts to it, because I loved Briogeo. There was no reason for me to try anything else other than, you know, pure curiosity and wanting to try other products. The kit comes with the shampoo and conditioner, which I've used both before. Briogeo has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. They're mostly natural. They're a black-owned brand, which is amazing. A mini of the deep conditioning mask. This is actually the first product I ever tried by Briogeo. And I got an even minier size of the hair treatment. So I'm really excited to start using this stuff again, and I'm excited to try all the new stuff as well. And that, my friends, is the end of this VIB Sephora Alright, so thank you guys for watching another Sephora haul from me. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!